Hey everybody, welcome back to the Build With Me series. I'm Tanisha Coffee, and we are working on building our WordPress website. And I wanted to take a moment right now to kind of help you think through the actual content for your website. If you've been keeping up with the things that we've been doing so far, then you have your website pretty much ready to go as far as structure, as far as how the overall site will look. And before we get into actually changing some of those pages to do more customization, I want you to go ahead and think through what the content is that you'll actually want to put on these pages, because knowing that will help you to better figure out what pictures you want, how much text you need to write, and to just get a better sense of how you see your website. So I have this website content planner that you should kind of try to follow as far as building out your website and figuring out what content you want to put on your website. So the way I like to tell people most times is to think of your website as your online home base for your business. So where everything you have for your business on the web links back to your overall website. And, as your business grows, you can also use the website to streamline, certain aspects of your business, such as setting appointments, accepting applications, or providing specialized access to content to certain customers. So, starting off, you really just want to keep it simple. That's why we have created the type of website that we have, where we just really have about 5 different pages, 6 if you include the online shop section, if you choose to include that. But that's why we're keeping it very simple. For the most part, for the site that we're building, a majority of the information, information that you will include about your business is going to live on the first page. The 2 exceptions are the About Us page and the services or products page, depending on what you're selling. And even at that, the homepage will have a glimpse, a portion of your About Us. And then when they go to the About Us page, they'll just get more information. And it'll be the same way with your services. You'll still want to give people a glimpse, an idea of your overall services and the benefits of working with your company. But then for more in-depth information, you can send them to the specific services page, where you can talk more about each individual service, or perhaps how your services work. It just depends on what you're doing. And then if you have products that you offer, it will be the same way. Homepage would be an overall idea about your products, and then more specifics on the products page. So be sure to kind of have this screen up and kind of work through the content that you want to have on your website. And you really do need to actually sit down with this image and your website open and actually go through each section and say, what would I want to put here? If I were visiting this website, what would be the first thing that I would want to read about, to learn more about this company, to help me to decide if I want to work with this company, or if I want to hire this company to do a service for me. So you really need to put yourself in the customer's shoes. How would you build the website to benefit them, to keep them on your website, to convince them that your business is the one that they need to help them? Your business is the one that has the solution that they are looking for. Think of it from that perspective. All right, guys, so take a moment to look this over, and then grab a sheet of paper or open up some sort of notebook or text document on your computer and start, making your a list, almost like an outline of what you would put on your website. So go do that, and we'll be back soon on the next video on actually starting to work through the different pages of the website. All right, guys, talk to you soon. Bye.